Hi, I'm going to show you CasCADos with the Iray. CasCADos is a beam. There's many tools. We do a very quick house. I change the point of beginning, the start point of the wall. I use the key tab U like wall. I click tab. I write side. Then I use the mouse. It's the same. I say 600. Okay, we finish. I want to hide the grid. Okay, we put the windows. Put the window here, here, maybe here. Okay. Now I split the screen in two, so you can see we put roof. We click roof button. We select where to create the roof. We click escape to finish the polygon, and you can draw any shape that you want. It's only a rectangle, so I click esc, and you see the program has created a roof. Here, this is this side of the roof. You can say delete the slope, but we want. It's not. This is not a demonstration of CasCADos, it's of Iray, so I will be very fast. Simply change some parameters. For example, now it's less, it's 30 degrees. In the other side, I do the same. Okay, we can say we have finished. We split again our screen. We go in 3D. Now we put some objects. For example, here. We select a flat object like pictures. Put a family, for example. Okay, here we get a kid. Okay, we put a door. Catalog. Standard door. Okay, it's not a problem. I can move it. Okay, it's enough. Nothing more. Now we put a 3D object like a car. I get a standard car that is also in the demo version. Okay, close it. Okay, in this moment we are using the sunlight. If I click this button, we can see the shadow calculation in CasCADos. The sun is in the opposite side. You can see the direction of the light is this. Anyway, I don't want to do a good rendering in CasCADos because I can get more with Iray, and we have Iray here. First of all, there is a material catalog. Here you can get everything that you like, plaster, bricks, wood, and so on. And you can go in detail, for example, the glasses, how is transparent and so on. Classic editor of material. But in the same editor of material, you can do a choice for Iray. This is important. I click the wall. Here, to hide the light, okay. You see this is our wall. There are some text setting like the texture, the color, this classic settings in a program, in a 3D model, in a 3D software. But I click Iray settings, and here we have a list of the material that has been done in the program. This list is created by Iray, the NVIDIA Iray software house. We simply say to the program that the material that we have selected is a plaster, or is a wood, is a glass, or everything else. In this way, the program know how to control the light under the surface that in this moment is the plaster. This is the only thing that you have to do before to give the project to Iray. Or yes, of course, you can also change it after. You can do some tests while you are working. You simply update the plan. I do the same for the glass. For example, here I see it selected a glass. I can change with another. For example, I say, I don't know, camera frosted glass, glass blue. You see there are many examples. Camera lens, I want to use it. Okay. And I put also in the car. Perfect. I think this is the same. Let me see. No, yeah, it's the same. We can say it's the same. There is the same settings, so I can copy and I can continue. Then I do the same here. The roof tile, you see the program remember what kind of material I used it last time. Last time I used it a masonry, and in fact the program showed me that this is a masonry. So the same for the ground. I'm using a plaster. I think it could be okay, or maybe a plastic I should use, but now it's not so important to change the grass. I think the main part is the walls, the roof tile, the wood, yeah, the wood. Yeah, no, I changed it, don't want to have this kind of wood, a normal wood. Okay, I confirm it. Of course, if I change one material somewhere, it changes everywhere. And now we see in Iray what happens. The program passes our 3D. Okay, I don't like this plastic, so I want to change it. I go here, I click Iray settings. I go here to search another kind of plastic, but I want to have glass. Yeah, this one. Okay, I confirm it. I copy everywhere. I think it's enough. Before to update, I want to also put a tree. Okay, put here. We can update the light. We click update the model. The light that we are using in this moment is the sun. And Iray get the sun from CasCADos. So if we put some light, some source light in CasCADos, you will see it also in Iray. Here we can change the brightness, so the light, some effect, how is you can do darker and so on. When you are satisfied, you can save the model with a higher resolution. But before to do this, I would like to use a background, but here I think I need to show you something. Okay. Iray. Okay. This is Wikipedia. And as you can see, there is an explanation in what is it, the HDRI picture. An HDRI picture is high dynamic range imaging. This is an example. In some words, it's one picture with more exposition of more frame of the with different exposition of the light. In fact, here we see that with some exposition there is, you can well see the glasses of this church, and with the opposite, with this different, with the timing in the exposition of the light, you don't understand what is the glasses, but you can recognize the interior side of the same church. So a picture like this, that you can do also with a smartphone, has many information of the light, and what I want to use is this kind of picture. So I go in the catalog, I search some example, I think here I have to go here, no, lib here, content, okay, evaluation, texture, environment, yeah, environment. Now I say, for example, we get a sky, we select the sky. Now the program will change it. Wait a moment, that is doing. We can say to the program to do small steps. Okay, now you see, now as we change it, we select one sky, and you see changing the background, which using this HDRI picture, the program is changing the light effect. We can say the light comes from this kind of pictures. Now we want to say to calculate this picture 40 times, for example, and that we want to have the double of my screen, the resolution of the picture that we have to calculate, and we will save it in my desktop, on my desktop, and we will see what happens with how it will be the result. We wait. It will take probably 40 seconds, 30, 40 seconds. You see we are at the step 9. We have to wait. But at the end, the result, it will be nice. So, resuming what we have done. We have done a simple model. We simply go in 3D. We say to any material in this 3D which kind of material should be simulated. The texture is the same that we are using in CasCADos, so we don't need to change the texture, it's the same. But when the program knows what kind of material have to simulate, it can produce a more realistic picture. This is the only things that you have to do. The programmer, the developer of CasCADos, thought that this was the best and the most easy way to do a nice picture. In fact, we can say that Iray has a pretty success in Germany. Okay, now we are at the end. It's 35 step. 36, 37, okay. We say 40, so you can say 100, and the quality it will be higher. And you can also select a photorealistic rendering. It means the calculation it will be a little bit more intensive. We save the picture on my desktop. we call picture, and we save it. Now we go on the desktop, we open here the picture. This is the picture that we have done in this moment. As you can see, the quality is not bad. And now, before to conclude, we come back here, we go inside the house. Okay. Moment. Let me run. Okay. Okay, I want to do the same. Moment. First, I save a new point of view. I will call. Where is point of view? New. I will call inside. We go outside again. I will put the kid inside just to have the kid. I want to have some objects like I don't know, a sofa, just to have something. Put a sofa. Where are? We put a piano, just to have something is not so important. 0. We will say what kind of material is this. We can say wood, of course, or we can say ceramic, and we can say here that is glossy. Okay. Okay. I think this is enough. We go in Array. We update our plan. Say one. I have to say to go inside. Forgot to do something now. We put a light, forgot. We go here, we say insert a light point, for example here. We hide it. We update. Oh, what kind of, I made a mistake with this material. Okay, what I want to do now is to change this material. This is totally wrong. Not this one. I say wood. No, I think this object is not a texture. Let me see. I forgot. This is not this is only a reflection texture. This is not a texture. Okay, change the material from here. Let's see. For example, I will use who's another? Take this one. It's much more simple now. I don't want to spend time to test the material. This is the only thing that I want to do. This is wood. Wood. I say to have close varnish. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, last things, we have to put another kind of material. For example, I put this one. Let's see the way run. Of course, we can turn on better the light of the source light, but we can also do like this. You can do what you prefer. For example, we go back here, we say show me the light source. Here, go here. Okay. Is not enough. Okay, anyway, at the end we save the picture with a better resolution. No, before I want to change again the background. Okay. Example, include media. Yeah. Exterior. Okay, we put the picture. You see, we have changed the background and this change it. Okay, 20. Now we will leave that the program will calculate it. It will take again 1 minute. And we will see the result. You see, I'm not stopping nothing in this video, it's in real time. Unfortunately, when I record the video, the computer will drive a little bit slower, but I would not to lose time, so I leave it as you can see. We can put also glossy material, you can change it, you can do many tests. At the end, the point that the program will do a better calculation of the light. This moment we are using 20 steps before we have done the double. Anyway, we will see the result. How is it? We call inside 2. No, inside of. This is the result of our picture. Could be better, but it's okay for this demonstration. Okay, thank you again to have seen CasCADos with Iray. I hope you have enjoyed. Bye.